Hi, today I'll be showing you how to connect a Microsoft SQL database to your Google Sheets, as well as how to run and schedule queries. So let's get started. To set up your database, go to the toolbar section, and within add-ons, click on the Castodia Database Connector and click Settings. Here you can manage your database by either creating a new database or by editing a current one. So to create a new database, you'll have to compile some database connection information, which consists of 5 components: database name, host, port, username, and password. If you're unsure of where to get this information, a great place to start would be to contact your engineering, analytics, or IT team. And so once you've compiled the information, you can go ahead and paste it in. Start with a nickname, so for us we can use this. Then click on the drop-down menu to access the database that you would like to use. Then paste in your inputs. So database name, host, which is the link, port, username, and password. Then go ahead and click Test to verify if your credentials are okay, and then click Save. So that's how you save your database. Now let's run some queries. To run a query, go back to the add-ons, but this time go to Launch. Now select the database that you would like to use. So for us, we will use this one. And now paste in your query. So I will be using a query that selects all the information from the demo table, and then I will click Run. Now you can go ahead and save your query. So a query name is mandatory, but the description is optional. So then go ahead and click Save once you've inputted that information. Now let's schedule queries. To schedule a query, go to the Schedule tab, select the query that you would like to use, and the sheet you would like to run it in. You can choose to repeat it every day, on certain days of the week, on certain days of the month, and also on certain months of the year. You can also choose to repeat it or run once. So I will choose to repeat it every day, and you can choose to run once or run every certain amount of hours or minutes. So for me, I would choose minutes. Next, you can choose a time range in terms of how you like to schedule your data. So for me, I can choose 6:35 a.m. to 8:05 p.m. Then go ahead and click Schedule. After you've clicked Schedule, make sure to share the sheet with the Castodia email. So click on the icon, go to Share, and Share with Castodia. Before you send it, make sure that the edit option is also on, and then go ahead and click Send. It's important to note that whenever you do run or schedule any queries, a pink line will form underneath your sheet name just like this to indicate that your add-on has used some sort of function. And so now we'll wait for a new row to form underneath our database. And that's it.